So today I've got a Pendo Pad 10-inch, which is a very cheap tablet that's available in Australia. This particular one's got a crack on the left-hand side, as you can see there. Apart from that, a cracked digitizer, it's all good to go. Now, typically what I do with these is once I've opened them up, I'd stick them on a heat pad, or you could use a hairdryer or a heat gun, and it softens the front of the screen, which does make it a fair bit easier to pry open. So first of all, we want to open the back of it, which with a little flat blade you should be able to get in there. If you're at home, you might be able to use something like just a butter knife, just to get in that gap. Once it starts unclipping, it should open. Do be aware that there's the volume up and volume down button and the power button. You may lose them doing this, just because they tend to fling out of it when you split it open. And once we're in here, I'll just compare with the old digitizer, or the new digitizer that's going to go in there. Just to compare flex cables, which is this cable down the bottom right hand corner that you can see. There's a bit of tape over the top of it, and from there it's able to be unclipped. Which I will hold this up to the camera so you can see how it gets unclipped.
This is rock solid now. It's not doing any of that dipping or anything. It's actually not that loud either. Like it's, it's not silent or anything, but it's very tolerable. So there you have it. That's pretty much the.
And once you've got it unclipped, you're pretty much right to start working on the digitizer. So from here, I've left it on 60 degrees face down for, I think it was about 15 minutes in total. So from here it carries on for a little bit, but I have edited out most of the time. So with a fair bit of heat and a pry tool, typically start on the edge that's most broken, just because you can usually get under the actual digitizer to start lifting it up. From here on out there's a battle for probably about 5-10 minutes, which from there then you clean it up, remove any existing glass shards, and from there I usually recommend doing a trial fitment of the new digitizer just to make sure it's all okay. But from here on out, I'll just let the video play out. And any questions, just put them in the comment box. If it's helped you out, great. If it hasn't, oh well. Hopefully you got something from it. Anyway, I'll catch you later. How you doing?
Good, yourself?
Yeah, getting there.
Getting there. Any these problems that come into your room?
I see a few.
Let's see.
What can I help you with?
I've just got my phone for my photos.
Oh, yep, we're taking the photos off. Yep.
Yeah, that'd be great.
Was there a passcode on that one?
No, it is not. It's just a double.
Just press it and
Yep.
away you go.
Yeah.
Excellent.
Desert Bus VR. Oh, it's a true masterpiece. But for real, Gearbox was known for their very popular Borderlands series, and for working on the Brothers in Arms series as well, so people expected something good out of this upcoming release. The game was stated to have highly stylized visuals and first-person shooting, with Gearbox's industry-leading cooperative combat and an expansive collection of diverse heroes. Sounds like a pretty cool and unique game, right? Well, turns out another game was being developed at the same time, and it was known as Overwatch. Overwatch was marketed as a highly stylized team-based shooter set on Earth in the near future. Every match is an intense multiplayer showdown pitting a diverse cast of soldiers, mercenaries, scientists, adventurers, and oddities against each other in an epic globe-spanning conflict. When taking a look at these two things, they sound pretty similar, honestly, and this would create a problem later on in the development process. The first official reveal trailer of Battleborn was released on June 4th, 2015, and it was mediocre at best. The trailer kind of showed off the art style of the game, and the music choice was really cool, just like every other Gearbox trailer. But it did have some problems. There was so much going on in the trailer that it really didn't make sense, and nobody really knew what the game was about. While this scenario can be good if done in the right way, and can create a sense of mystery about the upcoming game, it can also be terrible if done incorrectly. With Battleborn, this was the case, and the first trailer just made the game feel like some generic shooter that had no real purpose behind it. The second trailer wasn't any better, and it actually made the whole situation more confusing. This trailer showed something entirely different, and being released over a month later from the previous one, it still showed nothing about what the game was truly about. And to make the situation even worse, the graphics in both of these trailers were really bad, and they didn't appeal to many people. A few months after this release, the other game I mentioned, Overwatch, released their own trailers. These trailers, just like everything else Blizzard creates, were absolutely outstanding. The first teaser trailer was a 6-minute animated short film, and it was extremely high quality. It made sense, and more importantly, people were excited for what was to come with Overwatch. But at the time, there still wasn't much known about Battleborn. Overwatch looked really cool, and it was obvious to see what they were trying to do. But Battleborn was still a confusing mess that nobody really understood. Upon the release of the second trailer for Overwatch, which actually showed gameplay of the game, Battleborn fell even further into the shadows. Overwatch now took the entire hype train, and Battleborn was placed on the back burner by many gamers. While this was going on, the development of Battleborn continued, and as time progressed, people began to kind of understand how the game was supposed to be structured. Because of all the confusion generated by the trailers, the marketing team began to release more information about the game to help people realize what the game was going to be. It was officially marketed as an FPS online battle arena with a variety of characters and playstyles. And this marketing strategy was a very bad decision for the company, for a variety of reasons. First of all, this game is being marketed on PC, but also on Xbox and PS4, which were giant markets. Creating the idea that this game is a MOBA actually made a lot of people lose interest. MOBAs are known for their hardcore, time-consuming, and high-strategy gameplay. They're known as being made for what people call hardcore gamers, and they're almost exclusively on PC. Calling the game a MOBA made more casual console players completely avoid the game, because not everybody is into MOBAs. It's a very specific category. Furthermore, the game was going to be sold for $60, and who would pay $60 for a MOBA when pretty much every other one of them are free? Problems continued as time progressed, and the game still had a major identity crisis. An open beta was launched in late March of 2016, and the game was not very well received. While many players did enjoy the gameplay, others didn't really understand what was going on. This game was marketed as a MOBA, but it played as if it were a very clunky hero shooter. The movement systems were extremely slow and boring, and the gunplay was decent. It seemed to take elements from MOBAs and elements from hero shooters and tape them together. Stuff didn't mix, and it just felt awkward to play. And like I said, nobody really knew what this game was supposed to be. How were people supposed to want to spend $60 on a game that they didn't understand? This was a big issue, and it would become much worse as time progressed. The game had a few more betas and was scheduled to launch and stop playing, and it seems as if this was caused by some other issues with the game itself. Straight from the launch, the game only had 3 game modes and a total of 6 fairly average maps. There was a small amount of content, and more would be added in small future updates, but there wasn't enough content to keep people playing. Matchmaking times were insane, and before the player count even died off, it would take upwards of 10 minutes to be placed into a match. And of course, as the game died down, the wait time was longer. At one point, some players reported prevented people from buying it. And a lack of content caused the people who did purchase it to stop playing. The game itself isn't a bad game. In fact, it's rather enjoyable. As updates came over time, the gameplay got much better and became quite a bit of fun. But by the time it gets happening, it was already too late. Just for 2016, the developers realized that it was a lost cause. They announced that after an upcoming update, development would be seized on the game. The very few remaining players had nothing left to accept, which caused them to leave. As of today, there are always less than 100 active players at any given time, and the game has been put into the books as one of the biggest AAA fails in gaming history. Well guys, that's going to be it for today's video, so I hope you guys enjoyed. What are your thoughts on Battleborn, and what are your thoughts on this video? Please let me know in the comments below. As you guys have probably heard 100 times, my favorite part about these videos is hearing what you guys have to think. So constructive criticism, or love, or hate, or whatever, just let me know in the comments. If you have any suggestions for future videos, please let me know. Be sure to check out my Twitter, my Discord, and my Patreon, all of which are linked below. I will see you guys next time, and peace. Before I end this video, I just have one more quick little announcement.
So what happened? The show that sheds light on some of the biggest and most embarrassing video game disasters of all time. There's so much competition out there, so many games on so many different platforms vying for your attention. You wouldn't be lying if you said it's still a riskier business than, say, producing movies or making music. It's hilarious. There's so much that can go so wrong in so little time. So let's rewind the clock and take a look back at one of the schlockiest, sleaziest game disasters ever. Fuck you, God game! Won't get your chance. BMX Triple X. It's 2002. Video games have never and will never be cooler than this. Tony Hawk's Pro Skater still burning up the charts with its 4th entry in the series. And for all intents and purposes, extreme sports is still the king of the hill when it comes to video game genres. Think about how many other pretenders to the throne were gunning for Mr. Hawk and his Pro Skaters, grasping for the fame and fortune he was able to mine from his Lazarus pits. Kelly Slater's Pro Surfer, Matt Hoffman's Pro BMX, Sean White's snowboarding, aggressive inline, Razor sports games were selling well, but remember that